In the name of Allah, Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hopefully you will be fine with the grace of Allah Almighty. Students, it's 5th June 2021 and the day is Saturday. It is lecture 5 of unit 5 and the name of the unit is Mulla's Sons. Learning objective of the day is to improve comprehension. Students, our unit 5 is going on. After reading, we have done its word synonyms, word sentences, and now it's turn to do question answers. Let's start our question answers. Hopefully you will be able to understand the question statements and you will try to answer your own after reading the text carefully. If you have read the text carefully, question 1 is, in which city was Akbar's court? Answer, Akbar's court was in Delhi. Akbar's court was in Delhi. Question 2, what sort of people were at Akbar's court? Answer, Akbar had many famous people at his court. Akbar had many famous people at her court. Question 3. What was Mullah Do Pyaza's work at Akbar's court? Answer is, he made Akbar laugh. He made Akbar laugh. Question 4. How was Rafiq punished? Answer is, he was left hiding under a bed. Question 5. What did the Mullah's wife ask her husband to do? Answer is, she asked him to bring Rafiq for dinner. She asked him to bring Rafiq for dinner. Students, we have discussed the answers of all given questions and now it's turn to assign you your homework task. Your homework task is to learn and write question answers on notebook. First of all, you are to understand your question statements and then you are to write the answers of the given questions, and after learning the questions, answer statements, you are to write them on your notebook. As you know, now you are to do it on your notebook. Do your work carefully, students. Allah Hafiz and take care.